The governance of service lifecycle is an important aspect of the lifecycle of a service because it ensures that defined business and IT objectives are met by providing a basis for enforcing rules of service delivery. With a clear governance model in place, the standardization of information can be provided to promote service visibility. Service lifecycle governance complements an enterprise's existing service engineering and operational process by adding formal control points to monitor and enforce policies. It ensures that services are following enterprise standards and guidelines, and that they are published and reused, which yields cost savings and return on investment, also known as ROI. Under service lifecycle governance, service versions are managed, unexpected service usage is detected, and security requirements such as access control and encryption are enforced. The actions required to establish effective service lifecycle governance include explicitly determining the level of IT and service-oriented architecture, SOA for short, capabilities and requirements, working on the service implementation and access method, agreeing on policies for service reuse across lines of business, putting funding mechanisms in place to encourage this reuse, and establishing mechanisms to guarantee service levels. Other actions include deploying and securing services, enabling the policy infrastructure, monitoring compliance with policies and governance arrangements, such as service level agreements, or SLAs for short, reuse levels and change policies, and analyzing IT effectiveness metrics. Management is a key ingredient in SOA. When enterprises begin to introduce service interfaces and migrate to SOA, the number of deployed services is small, and management is of less importance. As the number of services grows, it becomes critical to the success of the SOA initiative to have a management solution in place. Service management capabilities enable monitoring, controlling, and reporting of service qualities and service usage. Such service qualities include availability, presence and number of service instances, and performance. For example, access latency and failure rates, and accessibility of endpoints. Facets of service usage information that may be managed include frequency, duration, scope, functional extent, and access authorization. Service management needs to have common service semantics that are understood by both the service consumer and the service provider. The characteristics of service management are centralized configuration and monitoring, policy-based routing and security, service registration, versioning and discovery, SLA compliance,